Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add your image on your portfolio on Cara application. So you need to tap on the plus icon, then you have to choose your picture first. So I'm just going to choose my picture from my gallery. So I'm just going to choose this picture. So if you upload this picture this way, then it will be added on your timeline. But if you want to add this picture on your portfolio, then you have to tap on the portfolio mark. So this one, like if you like, then you can set thumbnail, like you can save. So I just give this way, and you can give title, you can give description, project type, categories. So everything, like I can say it's a picture, and then you can give the description, type to search optional. So to the work or treat the work, you can choose, like I can say it's like a I can say it's other. Project type, it's optional, so simply tap on the post. So it will be added on your portfolio. So this way you can add any picture on Cara art and application. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.